There's my 3.8 V6 from my Jeep Wrangler right there, 2007. I just rebuilt a motor, put a new crankshaft. I'm waiting for my timing belt tomorrow. I got a good deal on Amazon for 50 bucks, the whole thing. And I put some headers too this time because my intake manifold, the exhaust manifold were cracked. I still gotta, do touch-ups because I gotta take that off. And it's not tight yet. The reason I do this is because just to, prevent from stuff going in there for now. But to install this motor, this has got to be off because of these two bolts right here. I got to drop the motor, and the only way to put those in more comfortable is without this. And anyways, you got to run all your injectors through there. But yeah, I got new pistons, some 20 oversized on it. Hoping that everything, a little nervous, but confident, everything is good. I checked the specs, everything. So it's got a new oil pump too. So I should be good. So you got any questions about removing something or something about this blocks 3.8, which is the same as the Caravan, just hit me up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Thank you very much to all for watching, and have a good day.